A wolfman transformation needs to be terrifying.
Daddy, are we gonna die?
I wanted it to be more of a disease.
What's wrong with Daddy?
He got sick.
What is happening? I can't understand you.
It's slow and methodical.
Daddy?
Senses become very heightened. Vision changes. Teeth and fingernails are coming out. Degradation of skin.
He's morphing quicker and quicker.
Becoming the monster.
Growling and clawing.
I just wanted to keep ramping up like a vice, tightening.
Back off! I was like, oh my God.
I love torturing the audience.
Please, Dad, you're scaring me.